The greatest industrial developments of our times are actually happening in the invisible, in the software area. In modern industrial production, various software applications for management and monitoring are used across the board. Therefore, it is essential for trainees to learn how to use them. Unfortunately, there is often a lack of didactically prepared learning environments so that these important but rather abstract contents can be covered correctly and intuitively at the same time. To make these topics visible and above all tangible and understandable, we have developed FactoryViews. FactoryViews is our new software portal through which you as teachers, learners and researchers can centrally access all software modules for our learning and research factories in the field of factory automation. Via our MES, you can easily and intuitively control your model factory in real life or in the simulation with Cyrus. The webshop illustrates the processes required for web-based ordering of goods and their management. This makes it easy to integrate e-commerce topics into learning scenarios. The Festo Info portal supports you online or offline with technical documentation or the latest software updates. With the AR app, you can explore your learning system in augmented reality on your tablet or your smartphone. For example, the AR app intuitively visualizes the structure, the control connection, or the steps for commissioning the learning system. Many other applications can be individually integrated. But what makes FactoryViews so special? With FactoryViews, it's super easy to backup and restore configurations. In that way, it makes lesson preparations and teaching processes more efficient and much easier. Because you as an instructor can restore any original state in the programs at any time. And that with just one click. Thanks to open interfaces, FactoryViews can also be used in advanced study or research projects. The program interfaces are also open. For example, the two interfaces TCP/IP as well as OPC/UA, via which the MES4 can be controlled. Standard interfaces such as HTTP or REST are also used for communication between the apps, for example between the webshop and the MES. This means that information can also be used elsewhere, up to the transfer to the cloud. In a nutshell, FactoryViews incorporates our didactic know-how from decades of experience and numerous requirements from the dialogue with our customers. This enables us to provide you with the optimal software in the field of factory automation for training and research. Thanks to the simple central access to all software modules and the intuitive usability, complex software-heavy topics in technical training will no longer be a problem with FactoryViews.